Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to sign Facebook out of all device. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, choose profile Facebook. Okay, click on menu, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Click on settings, scroll down, then tap on see more in account center. Okay, tap on password and security. Click on this option. Tap on profile, logging on other device. That's all. Select device to log out. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.